Hi everyone. So we are going to be looking at practicing a couple of short exam questions this week, and then we're going to be moving on to 1980s US context, comparing it a little bit to the 1950s. Ready for you to start watching Ferris Bueller next week. I've actually already uploaded Ferris Bueller film to our Google Classroom stream. It will be part of your actual lesson time next week to watch it. But of course, if you get a chance and you want to start watching it now, go for it. There's also an extension task, an optional extension task right at the very end of the Google slides that will certainly stretch some of you who are really going for those top grades, which is quite a cool little article with some embedded clips of Ferris Bueller and about how kind of it had like a massive impact on cinematography. So what I'm going to do, there's a couple of things that haven't come out really well on the slide, so I'm going to read through the questions on this as well. This is actually a section B practice question, but section B is knowledge of film history and development, so you'll have a quick go at it now. So section B, key developments in film and film technology. I'll read the question and then stop and pop the answer in the box. You might want to pause the video in between reading each question to have a think about it and then add your answer in the box below. So A, in which decade was the first full colour feature film produced? It's worth 1 mark and you need to state the correct answer in your book or just below, and it's out of the 3 choices: 1930s, 1940s or 1950s. Okay, so you might want to pause it now. Okay, so question B. Name 2 of the 5 major studios operating in Hollywood in the 1940s. 2 marks. You might want to pause the video now so you can add those answers in. And question C. Briefly describe how one example of film technology is used in one of the US films you have studied. Name the film you have chosen. Well, you're going to have to focus on Rebel Without a Cause for that one because you haven't looked at Ferris Bueller yet in lesson time. So when you've done that, add your answer to number C, and then if you go on to the next slide, I'm going to talk you through the answers and we're going to mark yours